Take out the machine and its accessories. Use a screwdriver to fix the holders to the machine. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. To replace the felt cotton, unscrew the cap at the suction hole, and you can see a piece of felt cotton. Replace it on a weekly basis. Connect the cold and hot handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the dermabrasion hose to the machine. Connect the skin scrubber to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the eye ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Put all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to get the machine started. Eye ultrasound treatment. Press manual button and choose cuspidal head option. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range 0 to 9. 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Press the start button to begin the treatment. Apply gel or essence to eye area evenly before treatment. 2 working modes available. Mode A, constant working mode, suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode B, discontinuous working mode, suitable for first-time users or those with sensitive skin. Phase ultrasound treatment. Press manual button and choose the flat head option. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 37 anis level is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Apply gel or essence to eye area evenly before treatment. 2 working modes available. Mode A, constant working mode, suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode B, discontinuous working mode, suitable for first-time users or those with sensitive skin. Bio treatment. Press manual button and choose bio option. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 anis level is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Red light for photon therapy is recommended. Please note, adjust anis level based on individual endurance. Something about photon therapy. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and relieve acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate grease secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave. Light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on. Change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto. Lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off. Turn off the light. Apply gel or essence to eye area evenly before treatment. 2 modes available. Mode A, constant working mode, suitable for those with dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode B, discontinuous working mode, suitable for first-time users or those with sensitive skin. Choose proper mode based on individual situation. Those who are sensitive to electric currents are not suitable for this treatment. Cold and hot treatment. Press manual button and choose cold and hot option. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 anis level is recommended. Mode A is recommended. Apply gel or essence to eye area evenly before treatment. Mode selection. Mode A, cold mode. It can soothe and repair skin, relieve acne, and contract pores. Mode B, hot mode. It can expand pore size temporarily and help with nutrient introduction. Dermabrasion treatment. press Manual button and choose Dermabrasion option. Before treatment, connect the Dermabrasion handpiece with the black hose. Choose working tip from the 9 tips and fit it to the handpiece. Please note, when fixing the tip to the handpiece, you need to put a piece of felt cotton inside. Use a new one for each treatment. There's a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. Turning it clockwise is to raise the suction level, and turning it anti-clockwise is to lower suction level. Adjust it based on individual saturation. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. Perform the treatment and use a damp cotton pad to wipe the target area at the same time. To use the transparent glass tube, press Manual button and choose Dermabrasion option. There's a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. Turning it clockwise is to raise the suction level, and turning it anti-clockwise is to lower suction level. Adjust it based on individual saturation. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. Perform the treatment and use a damp cotton pad to wipe the target area at the same time. There are 3 different glass tubes. Before treatment, choose purple glass tube according to skin condition and connect it with the black hose. Choose the scrubber function. Pore cleaning mode is recommended. Press the button on the handpiece to begin the treatment. Perform the treatment while wiping the target area with a damp cotton pad. Let the handpiece work in pore cleaning mode with one press of the button, suitable for those with large blocked pores and rough skin. Let the handpiece work in skin absorption mode with 2 presses of the button, suitable for those with dry skin. Let the handpiece work in skin tightening mode with 3 presses of the button, suitable for those with saggy skin. When the handpiece is in the skin tightening mode, long press the button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use. Remove dust, grease, or makeup on the face with makeup remover. Clean face with cleanser. Apply toner by patting face. Apply blackhead removing liquid to the area where blackheads and whiteheads exist with a cotton pad. Cover eye area and apply hot steam 10 minutes. Applying hot steam is to expand pore size temporarily to help clean pores and promote skin absorption. Dermabrasion treatment is to clean pores and skin. Set parameters. Time 5 minutes. Suction. Turning the knob clockwise is to raise anus level, and turning it anti-clockwise is to lower it. Adjust it based on individual sensations. Do not perform the treatment on sensitive skin or U-zone or face. Move the handpiece in spiral curve on 3 points first, and then move the handpiece to connect the 3 points. Perform the treatment on the whole face like this, and then move the handpiece on nose area for another several times. Use the scrubber to clean skin again. Long press the power button of the scrubber for 3 seconds to get it started. The high-frequency vibration of the scrubber can turn blackheads, whiteheads, and other dirt or impurities into small particles, which then can be easily removed. The scrubber works in pore cleaning mode with one press of the button. Let the bevel side face outwards during treatment. The scrubber works in skin absorption mode with 2 presses of the button. Apply essence and let the bevel side face inwards during treatment. The scrubber works in skin tightening mode with 3 presses of the button. Apply essence and let the bevel side face inwards during treatment. Wipe face with semi-damp tissue while moving the scrubber from chin towards hairline in a 9x9 way until treatment is performed on every inch of face. Move the scrubber on nose area for several times. Clean face. Use the hot and cold handpiece in cold mode to contract pores and soothe skin. Based on thermal law, the hot and cold handpiece in cold mode can help contract pores, soothe and repair skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Set parameters. Time 5 to 8 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Working mode A. Move the handpiece from chin in spiral curve towards hairline until the treatment is performed on every inch of face. Ultrasond treatment can help stimulate cell regeneration and promote skin's absorption of nutrients. Set parameters. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Working mode A. Apply essence to face and then move the handpiece from chin towards hairline until the treatment is performed on every inch of face. Move the handpiece from chin in spiral curve towards hairline until the treatment is performed on every inch of face. Clean face. Ultrasond treatment can help stimulate cell regeneration and promote skin's absorption of nutrients. Set parameters. Time 10 to 15 minutes. Energy level 3 to 7. Working mode A. Apply essence evenly around the eye area. Move the handpiece in spiral curve from inner eye corner towards temple. Move the handpiece from inner eye corner towards temple. Move the handpiece from inner eye corner along eyebrow towards temple. Soothe eye area by moving right hand and left hand clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. Apply eye mask, face mask, and perform the bio treatment. Apply toner by patting face. Set parameters: time 5 minutes, energy level 3 to 7, adjusted based on individual sensations. Mode selection: Mode A, low frequency of the electric pulse. Mode B, high frequency of the electric pulse. Choose red light and constant working mode for the photon therapy. Please note, those who are sensitive to electric currents should not take this treatment. Remove metal ornaments on your body before treatment. Please note, during the treatment, you may experience some comfortable sensations such as numbness caused by microelectric currents. Once a week, a course of treatment consists of 10 treatment sessions in applicable range. Those who are in pregnancy or lactation, those with heart diseases, or who are equipped with pacemakers, those whose incisions have not healed yet, and who are on the road to recovery from operation, those with severe diseases such as epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, and malignant tumors, those with skin diseases and infectious diseases, those who are sensitive to electric currents,